Hi, you guys. So, today I made this cucumber salad with bacon bits, and this is one of my to go tos. Just ever since I've been like on this weight loss journey and been consistent, this is really one of the salads that I make every week. Now, I have this miniature mini cucumbers, and I have about four of those, and I just cut them up. Then I add some red pepper, green pepper, and some onions. And I add just a little bit of salt and pepper. I have this avocado Greek yogurt dressing, which is really good, and I got it from Whole Foods. Now I do add bacon bits. I just like the flavor that the bacon bits brings out. Then I cut up some green olives. Now you can leave it as is, or you can add cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese. And here you have it. I hope you guys enjoy and try it.